Our group is going on a hike. We have about 8 people hiking this morning. And this is called the Faye Trail in Sedona, Arizona. Woohoo! It's not a bad trail already. Sandy. It's early. It's about 7:49. Nice. But look at the surrounding area. Is it not gorgeous? Wow. It's telling us there's bears. Okay. There's bears. Red Rock Secret Mountain Wilderness. Coconino National Forest. Woo! Wow, how pretty is it here, huh?
Dinky pea pocket. Yeah, you always need a Ziploc bag for that. There was one behind, up somewhere. Only in nature.
Wow, how pretty is that?
Sharon, you okay back there?
I'm fantastic. This tree is called an alligator juniper. Look at the scaling on there. This is called manzanita.
Yeah, I've had that.
Oh, the bark is smooth. Wow. Look at the red rock. Oh my gosh. The sun is just coming up. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is a beautiful hike. A beautiful hike. Oh, y'all see the hidden arch right there?
When we get up the trail farther,
And there's a big
you'll
one
see
right there.
a trail over to it.
Oh, sweet. So the locals call that the thumb, so they know exactly where the arch is. There it is right there. How cool. I love Red Rock Country. It's just gorgeous.
Funny how it lights it right up.
Wow.
Uh-huh. Pretty. That's for sure.
place.
That's right.
Exactly.
And we did it.
If you don't have any other option.
Oh man, you can feel the temperature dropping. Huh?
Uh-huh.
Oh wow.
Hey!
Everybody made it. Woohoo! Look at that. That's just amazing. Right into the rock.
Rappelled down instead of climbed up. But they had ladders down from the top. And from the bottom, building it. Now I wonder if it stayed that way or they've redone it that way.
This is the wishing well. Looks like a dwelling down there too. The irrigation channel. How cool is that?